In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and resolve common issues with the Copilot app on your device. Whether you're experiencing crashes, glitches, or any other issues, follow these steps to get your app back on track in no time. Let's start by closing and reopening the Copilot app. This simple action can often resolve minor glitches by refreshing the app's processes. If you're on a smartphone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access your recent apps, then swipe away the Copilot app to close it. For computers, click the close button or use your task manager to fully exit the app. After that, tap on the Copilot app icon to reopen it and check if the issue persists. Next, let's ensure you're running the latest version of the app. App developers regularly release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so keeping your apps up to date is crucial. To do this, navigate to your device's App Store, whether it's Google Play for Android users or the App Store for iOS users, and search for Copilot. If an update is available, you'll see an option to install it. By updating the app, you might very well solve the problem you're facing right now. If updating the app doesn't resolve the issue, try restarting your device. Restarting can clear temporary files and free up system resources, often resolving performance issues with apps. Simply hold down the power button and select Restart from the menu. Once your device powers back on, open the Copilot app to see if it's functioning correctly. One important troubleshooting step is to verify your internet connectivity. Since Copilot relies on an internet connection for its functionalities, any disruptions can affect its performance. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or have a good cellular connection. Try accessing a web page or another app to confirm your internet is working correctly. If you're still encountering issues, clearing the app's cache and data may help. This process can eliminate corrupted data that might be creating problems. Go to your device's settings, navigate to Apps, find Copilot, and select Storage. You'll see options to clear cache and clear data. Clearing cache is safe and won't affect your saved data, while clearing data will restore the app to its original state. After performing these actions, reopen Copilot and check if the issue is resolved. If, despite all these efforts, the app still isn't functioning properly, it may be time to reinstall it. Deleting the app from your device and reinstalling a fresh copy can sometimes fix unresolved issues. Simply uninstall the app, go back to your app store, and download it again. Log in with your credentials, and you should be good to go. Finally, if none of these steps have resolved the problem, don't hesitate to contact Microsoft support. They can offer specialized assistance and more detailed troubleshooting specific to your situation. You can find their contact information on the Microsoft support website. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help get your Copilot app running smoothly again. Remember to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.